Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be giving the review of one IPO that is currently open for subscription and closes for subscription today, that is December 18. So the company I will be discussing is of Inox India Ltd. So the issue opened for subscription on December 14th and closes today for subscription. And the price band for this IPO is Inox CBA is between 627 to 660 per share, and the minimum lot size for retail investors 22 shares, and the minimum amount for retail investors 14,522 per share, and the allotment is expected on 19th of December in within 2 days, and refund is expected on 20th December, and listing is expected on 21st of December. Yes. And regarding this company, so Inox India Limited, they were actually incorporated in 1976. They actually manufacture and supply cryogenic equipment. They have three main divisions. Industrial gas division, this division actually designs, manufactures and installs cryogenic tanks and systems for the storage, transportation and distribution of industrial gases including green hydrogen and oxygen. And they have LNG division. This division develops and manufactures, supplies and installs both standard and engineering equipment for LNG storage, distribution and transportation, as well as small scale infrastructure solutions for industrial, marine and automotive applications. And Cryo-Scientific division, that is a division offers equipment and turnkey solutions, scientific and industrial research in the field of cryogenic distribution with a focus on technology intensive application. So the product portfolio includes standard cryogenic tanks and equipment, beverage bags, bespoke technology equipment and solutions, as well as large scale turnkey projects used in various industrial solutions like industries like industrial gases, liquefied natural gas, green hydrogen, energy, steel, medical and healthcare, chemicals and fertilizers, aviation, aerospace, pharmaceutical and construction. And they from 6 months to till September 2023 and the financial year 23, 22, 21, the company supplied its equipment and systems to 1,255 domestic customers and 254 international customers in their three business segments. So the company also exported products and services to 66 countries, including the United States, Saudi Arabia, Netherlands, Brazil, UAE, Australia, and Bangladesh. And their manufacturing facilities are located in Kalol, Kandla Special Economic Zone, and also in Silvassa in the Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli. And regarding the financial performance of this company, so in FY21 they had a total revenue of 608 crores and profit after tax was 96 crores. This increased to 803 crores in FY22 with a net profit of 130.50 crores, and the revenue further increased to 1148 crores in FY23 with a net with a 984 revenue increased to 984 crores with a net profit increasing to 152 crores. And the current fiscal FY24 for 6 months they have reported revenue of 580 crores and the profit after tax 103 crores. So the company is likely to report over 1,200 crore revenue and profit after tax of 200 crores as compared to 150 crores last year. So there is a good 100% increase in the net profit in the expected from the last 3-4 years. So that is a good growth, steady growth over the years. So the balance sheet is pretty strong for this company. And regarding the price earning multiple of this issue, so the issue is coming at the company is actually expected to have an EPS of around 16.83 after the IPO. And the price earning multiple would be around 39.22. So the issue appears fully priced and valuations looks slightly stretched, but considering the good growth that is reported and considering the large number of customers, it can actually get, based on the subscription figures, it can actually get good return for the investors for a long term basis, and can get good good return. Our subscription figures are very good, so the issue can actually get a good listing also. And regarding the oversubscription figures till the end of the second day, the issue is already oversubscribed 7.11 times, and the retail segment is oversubscribed 8.22 times at the end of second day, and the HNI segment is already oversubscribed 13.75 times. So the last day the subscription figures are actually likely to increase, and we can actually expect a oversubscription of at least 15 times in the retail segment and over 15 to 20 times in the QIB and HNI segment. And regarding the review by different brokers, most brokers were subscribe rating on this IPO, and around BP Equities, Wealth, Canara Bank Securities, Capital Market, Dilip Davda, GeoG Securities, M Securities, In Securities, Motilal Oswal all have subscribe rating in this IPO. And regarding the review by Motilal Oswal, so they have mentioned that it is one of the largest supplier and among the top 10 global players offering customized cryogenic solutions across clean energy space. It manufactures cryogenic tanks, storage for system, storage, transportation, distribution, industrial gases 64% of revenue, LNG 31% of revenue, a cryoscientific research application, and it is the first Indian firm to manufacture trial-mounted hydrogen storage tank jointly with the ISRO. And they have a very good order book also, and they have a diversified customer base across different industrial segments, across energy, industrial gases, LNG, medical, chemical, fertilizer. Over top 20 customers account for 66% of the revenue, and 49% revenue is derived from repeat clients. And financial performance is also mentioned here. Return ratios are actually good. Return equity is around 29%. It's a net debt-free status, and the view on this is that they actually have the issue is actually priced at 29 times first half FY23 for EPS, so the issue looks reasonable, and they have a subscribe rating on this IPO. And the market share is actually also mentioned here among the top 10 global players like Linde PLC, Air Liquid, Air Products, Inox India is actually also among the top 8-10 global players. And some risk also mentioned here, like industrial raw materials include aluminum products, stainless steel products, palladium, etc. Any increase in raw material cost may actually affect the pricing and supply of the products, can actually have an impact on the operations of the company. And the cryogen leakage from the equipment poses health hazards as company's products facing inherent risk. And large customers, top 10 customers actually contribute a major portion of the revenue, that is also mentioned as a risk here. And all manufacturing facilities located in Gujarat and the Union Territory of Nadra and Nagar Haveli exposed to regulatory and geographic specific risks. And also it is also mentioned about the different types of products. Portfolio of the company is also mentioned here, like 300 kilometer, 500 kiloliter tanks, ISO compliant containers, LNG terminals, and liquid hydrogen tanks, and ISRO LH2 tank, different types of tanks for different types of industrial gases, LNG and liquid hydrogen. And they had diversified over 1,201 domestic and 220 international customers across divisions, catering to different industrial segments. So all these are mentioned here. You can actually go through the report in Motilal Oswal. And regarding the review by Dilip Davda and their website, they actually mentioned that the company is a niche player in the cryogenic equipment, and only player from India. So they actually worked with ISRO for the Chandrayaan 3 project with a major supply, and the company reporting good financial performance. And so based on the FY24 earnings, the issue price fully priced is not to miss opportunity in the numero player in this particular segment. There are not many players in this segment. It is one of the very few companies in this segment, and a lot of you can actually go through the details. The 3 divisions are also mentioned here, and regarding their customers as mentioned here, they have 1,255 domestic customers and 254 international customers, and some of their customers include industrial and gas divisions, Air Liquid, Global EEC, Industrial Provision, All Safe Global, Wave Development Research Foundation, Gulf CR Bio LLC, Hyundai Engineering and Construction Limited, Inox Air Product Limited, Carbacid CO2 Limited, Navin Fluor International Limited are some of their customers. And LNG division, some of the customers are Caribbean LNG Inc., 2G Energy Inc., IRM Energy Limited, H Energy Gateway Private Limited, Hoglund Gas Solutions AS, Shell Energy India Limited are some of their customers. And they have 1,016 employees on its payroll, and so they are actually coming. The lead managers for this issue is ICICI Securities and Access Capital Limited. KFin Technology is the registrar for this issue, And after the post issue, the equity capital will increase to 18.15 crores. So there is a balance sheet is pretty strong. They have over 600 crores and the equity capital of only 18 crores. So there is a good chance the company may actually declare one a bonus issue in the future also, based on the higher reserves. And the face value of the issue is actually face value of the issue is actually 2 per share. So there is no possibility of a stock split from face value 10, but the company can actually declare a bonus issue in the ratio 1:1 or 2:1 in future, if the based on the increase in revenues. So the final conclusion in that Chitorga.com is that there are only 3 players in the segment. Is the only company having a unique place. It has posted good financial performance. The report appears. Its order book is 1,036 crores with the price prospect ahead. It has played an important role in the ISRO Chandrayaan 3 mission. Based on the FY24 revenue issue was fully priced, and the investors should not miss this opportunity. So they have mentioned a subscribe rating IPO. And regarding the current grey market premium of the IPO, so the issue is actually having a current grey market premium based on our subscription figures. It's actually having a 560 per share as the grey market premium. So we can actually expect a listing in the range of over the issue price is for 60 per share. So based on the 560 rupees grey market premium, we can actually expect a listing in the range of around 1,100 to 1,200 per level, depending on the oversubscription figures. So we can actually expect a very strong listing. So based on the issues already the issues coming at a price multiple of over 49 times. So at the rate of 1,200, the issue will be slightly expensive. So it will be, if those who have got the allotment in the IPO, they can actually certainly hold the shares. But if you are actually trying to buy after the listing, it will be good if we can actually get some dips. Otherwise, we should be willing only partial quantity and willing to accumulate more on very correction. And regarding the so I am planning to apply for this IPO, hoping for an allotment, but it is difficult to get an allotment. But if you are actually also convinced about the prospects of this company and you want to invest, you can actually invest after going through the research reports. But I feel this company is a very good company for long-term investment for any investor.